Welcome. The markets have been holding in a range for a good long 1 year period now. The high we had in the market was in September 2024. Post that we dropped close to 20% and we have recovered. Even now, at the time of this speaking, we have not crossed the previous peak. Looks like it will take another 6 months for the strength to build up and start going up. And a couple of sectors in the meantime have started showing strength. That one is manufacturing, because looks like because of the GST changes that the government had done, it has become attractive and balance sheets can generate more profits in the coming quarters probably. That is the reason manufacturing is looking attractive now. And along with manufacturing, technology as a sector which has taken a big hit post the tariff issues started bottoming out and showing signs of strength. These are two sectors where we can look for investing, which can give us little more returns than what the market is giving. How much we can allocate? Not big allocations, probably 5% of the overall exposure you have can be put into these sectors. And the way we are going to do this is through invest through a STP route. That is, not put whole money into the scheme at a time. Instead, stagger it to 6 times, 6 weekly installments we can take, so that if there's an upward movement, we will get a better unit allocation to us, and also when the rally happens, it will help us to make little higher profit. So, taking STP route, we will invest into. There's a possibility we can invest into these two schemes, sectors, technology and manufacturing. For this, we have to invest into a debt fund first, and from there initiate a systematic transfer for 6 weeks. In between, if suppose whatever the signal that has come now starts developing into a high strength, then the remaining portion, whatever is left over out of the 6, it will be good to be moved fully into the scheme, so that it helps us to capitalize on the gains, whatever happens in the upside. So in this opportunities in two segments, sectors, manufacturing and technology, it can be short-term capital gains, so short-term taxation will be there. And also when we are looking at some signals based on the patterns whatever is generated, there is a possibility it can go down or stay in a sideways range. So mentally we should be prepared for a prolonged stay or a loss booking also. So these are the challenges that is there in this opportunity. If you are willing to participate, please let us know through a mail how much you want to invest, and based on that we will communicate with you and what is the plan, what are the schemes that is attractive, and you can decide on how to go about it. Thank you.